shadow of Angkor's ancient stone, where rivers once sang and rice fields bloomed, came the thunder of bombs from distant skies. Cities emptied, families torn apart in cries. Brothers marched to fields of endless toil, under black shadows, digging their own soil. Oh, Khmer people, why this endless pain? War and conquest stole our light again. Fields turned to graves, rivers red with tears, hearts broken forever through the cruel years. We suffer in silence, but the soul still cries for the lost ones gone under darkened sky. Year zero came like a merciless storm, evacuating homes, no time to mourn. Children starved in the killing fields, embraced mothers whispered prayers in hidden place. Forced labor chains, executions at dawn, dreams of freedom forever gone. From civil wars, fire to genocide's night, millions vanished in the blind of fright. Yet in our blood the ancient spirit flows, like the Mekong strong, through sorrow it grows. Remember the voices silenced too soon, since Sisma's song under the moon. Oh, my people, why this endless pain? War and conquest stole our light again. Fields turned to graves, rivers red with tears, hearts broken forever through the cruel years. We suffer in silence, but the soul still cries for the lost ones gone under darkened skies. One day the dawn will break the chain of greed. Khmer hearts will heal, find sweet relief. But never forget the price we paid in the name of power, how the innocent faded. Oh, Cambodia, rise from the ashes again.